Hey there, do you want to become a successful stock market investor? If yes, then this video is for you. Okay, so instead of making tall claims, how about a live demo wherein I will be logging into my Demat account and showcasing you what we have achieved till date? Because seeing is believing, isn't it? Okay, so my name is Lekram and I'm a founder director of iSkill India Online Services and a SEBI registered investment advisor and a successful stock market investor. So before we start, let me put a disclaimer, else SEBI guys will catch me. They might think that I am advising some stocks here. So I will log in to my Demat account after the disclaimer. Let me read the disclaimer. The stocks discussed in this video are not stock trade or investment advice of any kind. They are meant to demonstrate our investing prowess, like what kind of wealth they have created for us, and this wealth being created from the stock market are for real. We are not responsible if anyone trades on any of the stocks discussed in the video. We are just sharing our pleasant experiences. Our stock market investing success suggests that we possess certain unique, proven and time-tested knowledge unavailable elsewhere, which is evident from the kind of wealth we have created for ourselves. Now, based on that, we thought to put everything we know in the form of video lectures with a clean intention to pass on this wealth of knowledge in order to serve and educate the masses. So my things are in SBI CapSec. Okay. Okay, so now let's log in here. I'll just log in now. So yeah. Okay, so OTP is required. So till the OTP comes, see, 95% of the people in the stock market loses money. Okay, so that's huge. So actually what they do is they will be always be bad mouthing about the stock market. So and that like people are scared to enter to the stock market, but we have seen a other side of the story, right? We have tasted huge success here, so that we will be seeing in a while now. Okay, so OTP has come, so let's enter here. All right, so we're logged in now, logging in. All right, so this is now the market is today 73,990, 991, 87. Just to show that this is a live market, that's all. So now let's quickly jump into our portfolio and see what we have achieved till now. Okay. All right, so here this is our net worth. So this is my household Demat account. Okay, so now let us see what we have achieved. Unrealized profit. Okay. Okay, so now let us see one by one. So this is the first stock, JB Chemicals and Pharmaceuticals. So right now we have a holding of 424 stocks, which was purchased at the rate of 144. Okay, so you can say 145. Today the price is 1819. So how much it has multiplied? So 1890 divided by 145. So it has delivered 12 and half times. Okay, so it has multiplied our money by 12 and half times. So this is a 12 bagger, you know. Okay, so if someone has invested 1 lakh in this particular stock at this price, today it would be worth 12 and half lakhs. So that way. All right, so now let us see. So this is the pharmaceutical company. Now let's talk about this stock. associated alcohols and breweries. This is in the liquor industry. So we have 1210 stocks holdings with us, and we have purchased at 93. So today the price is 547. That is around 5.5 times easily. 100 divided by this, so it is 5.5 times approx. Okay, so all these stocks are purchased after 2015. So now let's look at the third stock, that is the Balaji Amines. So right now we have holding of 380. So price is average price is 471, and the current price is 2000. So it is 4.5 times around. So actually this has delivered 41 times. I will show you in the last. Okay, so right now it is easily at this price also it is delivering 4.5 times. Okay, so now let us see this precision wires. So we have 350 stocks at the rate of 30, so 138. So it is again more than 4 times. Okay, easily. Okay, now this is Datamatics Global. This is the IT stock. We have 715 pieces at the rate of 141. So it has delivered 613 divided by 141. Okay, 142 you can say. So it is 4.3 times. So and now here it is clear that these are all multi-baggers, right? 12 times, 40 times, 4 times. Now see here, this one LT Foods we purchase at 60, again 3 times, 3, 6 or 18. So 3. So there are lots of 2 bagger and 3 bagger. We don't even count that one. So like that. So here make money at 44 is double. Okay, Part drugs. Yeah. So so you have seen that we have lot of multi baggers. Okay, which has multiplied our money by 2x or 3x, or mostly it is more than 5 times and 12 times. And okay, so now this was I was talking about, it has delivered 40 times. So let me open this. So I will just go down. So it is purchased in August 2000. We have purchased in August 2015 150 pieces. Okay, at the rate of 130. Okay, so when the price has collapsed to 118, we have purchased even more. So amounting to total price at total quantity 580, and average price was showing 120 around. Okay, so this is the thing. So we were having 580 pieces of at 120. Okay, now the what is the all-time high of this particular stock? So this is Balaji Amines. See here, Balaji Amines. Now scroll down, so we can see what was the all-time high. So it is 5,000. So let's see. So 5,000 divided by 120. So it has delivered 41.5 times, right? So even if you consider today's price, now it is 2,000 something, right? 2,000 divided by 120. Still it is 18 times, isn't it? Today's price is 2,000 something. Still it is 18 times. So it is very clear that that we are able to create multi-baggers at regular intervals. So this showcases our investing prowess and what we are capable of and what we can do for you. Okay.
So this was the old video I have recorded some time back, because SEBI says that one should use only the data which is 3 months or older than that. But you can check the prices of the stocks you have seen in the demonstration. But kindly refrain from taking any investing or trading calls there, as warned in the disclaimer. So you just saw that we managed to create this kind of wealth, find good stocks and multi-baggers at regular intervals. So all this is possible because we possess certain unique knowledge about stock market investing. And this is exactly what we are going to teach you in our video lecture course on successful stock market investing. So what we have done is we have encapsulated all our valuable lessons and secrets and given a shape of a course so that you too can learn, invest and create wealth as we did, or even better. see, one or two stocks can do wonders for anyone. That can be a matter of coincidences. But if most of the stocks tend to perform and give handsome returns, then there is surely some method to it. So don't you want to learn this magnificent skill? I'm an electrical engineer by qualification and still made it. That means any non-commerce or business background person can learn the skills, right? So I started my journey as a common man to stock market investing success. So I know what it takes for a common man to succeed here. So I have designed this course keeping that in mind. So this investing skill would last for one's lifetime. So once you learn, it will keep on creating wealth for you, as you have seen. So the entire course fees will be less than the school fees of a student today. So we have learned our skills from the legendary investors like Benjamin Graham, Warren Buffett, Peter Lynch, or late Mr. Rakesh Jhunjhunwala. Personal experience, research, and our mistakes. So we took about 5-7 years to fully mature as an investor. So since you are getting this training, you won't make the mistakes what we did. So your learning time curve will be shortened and you will be getting a head start. So if you too want to become a successful stock market investor, you can consider our course. So I will be giving first 5 episodes for free on this channel, and after episode 5 you will be in right position to take your call whether you are able to understand what I am teaching and you are convinced with our capabilities based on what we have achieved. So post course completion student support system. So if the students have any doubts or queries regarding the course or any topic or have some issues, so they can post their queries and I will be glad to answer them. So I will be always be available for you, and it won't be like the course is over and I will leave you in lurch. So I will be helping you guys until you become a pakka investor. So I won't leave your hand. I genuinely want you to succeed in the world of investing and even exceed me. So as per SEBI guidelines, no trainer is allowed to give a guarantee that using his course, anybody would become a successful stock market investor. So for that reason, I would like to refrain from giving any kind of guarantees. So, but you must have seen our wealth creation track record, right? So that's also a truth. So how I managed to create wealth and invest successfully, all these things are encapsulated in our course. Based on all this information, you can take your decisions. A note to all the investors who plan to buy our course, whether you are an Indian residents, NRIs, Indian expats, or people of Indian origin, or non-Indian citizens. So if you are looking to invest in the Indian stock market, you can readily use this course in the current form. So if you are a non-Indian citizen such as American, Canadian, or British national, etc., and you wish to invest in the Indian stock market, the process is straightforward. Once you complete the necessary account opening formalities to enter the market, this course will provide the specialized knowledge and guidance you need to invest successfully. So timeless investing principles proven in India, adaptable worldwide. So if you are looking to invest in the non-Indian stock market, still this course is very effective, but with below important points to note. The core principle taught in this course are inspired by legendary investor Benjamin Graham, whose work was originally explained in US stock market and US stock exchanges and giving US stock examples, proving global relevance. I have applied these timeless principles combined with my own experience, insights, refinements to successfully create wealth in the Indian stock market over many years. So this demonstrates that investing philosophy is largely universal. Over 90-95% of decision making framework remain unchanged across geographies. For non-Indian stock market, the only adaptation is the use of local stock screener relevant to the country or exchange you wish to invest in. The process, mindset, analysis, and discipline remain the same. Investors may slightly tweak the framework to align with their personal risk appetite or investing style without altering the core principles. Global learners can treat this course as a real-world Indian case study and replicate the same investing approach in their respective markets. The course is an Indian case study of universal investing philosophy. Thank you. So you can buy our course from the links given in the description box below. So wish you all the very best for your successful stock market investing journey. Thank you.